Welcome to effortless living in the woodlands. This immaculate 4-bedroom home sits on a premium, private lakefront lot nestled among majestic pine trees and serene natural surroundings. Ideally located in the vibrant and trendy Creekside Park, one of the woodlands' most desirable villages, this home is zoned to top-rated Creekview Elementary and Creekside Park Jr. High. Lovingly maintained, it features soaring ceilings, energy efficiency, and an open-concept layout. The kitchen is light-filled with maplewood white cabinetry, pot drawers, granite and quartz counters, and an eat-in island, flowing into a spacious family room. A dedicated private home office and a tranquil primary suite with views of Schweinel Lake complete the main floor. Upstairs offers 3 generously sized bedrooms and a large game room. Enjoy the covered patio and unbeatable location. Walk to Hebrew, luxury cinema, Fielding's, Le Viewer Bakery, and more. This is the lifestyle you've been waiting for. Don't miss it. Interior. Other rooms. Total rooms, 10. Utility room dimensions, 6x7. Utility room level, first. Office, yes. Family room dimensions, 15x14. Game recreation room dimensions, 18x13. Office study room dimensions, 11x10. Family room level, first. Game recreation room level, second. Office study room level, first. Appliances. Dishwasher. Electric oven. Disposal. Gas range. Microwave. Dryer. Energy Star qualified appliances. Refrigerator. Washer. Laundry features, washer hookup, gas dryer hookup. Bedrooms. Bedrooms, 4 bedrooms possible, 4 primary bedroom dimensions, 15x14. Bedroom 1 dimensions, 15x12. Bedroom 2 dimensions, 13x12. Bedroom 3 dimensions, 13x11. Primary bedroom level, first. Bedroom 1 level, second. Bedroom 2 level, second. Bedroom 3 level, second. Bathrooms. Total bathrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 2 1-2 bathrooms, 1 interior features. Breakfast bar. Double vanity. Granite counters. High ceilings. Kitchen island. Kitchen family room combo. Pots and pan drawers. Pantry. Soaking tub. Separate shower. Tub shower. Vanity. Window treatments. Ceiling fans. Kitchen dining combo. Programmable thermostat. Door features, insulated doors. Flooring, carpet, tile. Window features, low emissivity windows, window coverings. Heating and cooling. Cooling features, central air, electric. Heating features, central, gas. Heating, yes. Kitchen and dining. Dining room dimensions, 12x8. Dining room level, first. Kitchen dimensions, 12x10. Kitchen level, first. Exterior. Exterior and lot features. Deck. Fence. Sprinkler irrigation. Patio. Private yard. Fencing, backyard. Patio and porch features, deck, patio. Road surface type, concrete. Patio, yes. Deck, yes. Pool and spa. Pool features, association. Waterfront and water access. Lake. Lakefront. Waterfront.